Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the error occurs for you that shows the file is not the destination does not have enough space on any of the pen drive you have now. In order to do fix it, simply let me quickly show you. For example, this is a pen drive. Now right click over there, click on show more option, click on format right there. Now once you go over there, here you'll see this option of file system. Click over there and make sure that NTFS system is selected. And once you do that, just simply start and give a format to that particular drive, the pen drive, and that will definitely solve your problem. If it does not, try this method with some different formats over there. When you go over the option of format, you'll find different methods over there as well, or you can simply change the allocation unit size as well, so that it will fix your issues. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.